In this learning, we are going to create a different variation on how to use a date range as creating a new query in the procedure manager. I'm going to open my queries. And under my queries here, I'm going to create a fresh new query. I'm going to call it date last 30 days. So all the procedures within the last 30 days. I'm going to click Save. Important, highlight the one you're going to work with, which is my last 30 days. I'm going to open the list, and down here I could type also, but I'm going to show the list. I'm going to pick date. And in this query, instead of using the operators greater, less, different, equal, greater than, we're going to go down in our list, and I'm going to use the option that says last. Here I'm going to say 30 and days. Save. Search. I'm going to go here for my last 30 days. It's in my favorites. So now the procedure manager is showing me the entries I have in WISE option for the last 30 days. So today you've learned how to use a second variation on how to do the last 30 days. You could also do for the last 7 days. Let's do one more. Let's do for the last 7 days. I'm going to create another query, date, based on date, in the last 7 days. I'm going to add to my favorites because I like to have easy access so I don't have to come here in the query. I'm going to type date, pick the value, and I'm going to use the component last 7 days. As you can see here, you would have other last month, last quarter, last year, and you can go ahead as well. Next 10 days for reminders is a good query. Or current month, current quarter. You know, you have other operators here, and these operators come to you when you select a variable that is a date component. That's why you're going to see, if you pick a different operator, like, for example, hidden, which is just a binary true or false, you're going to see that those operators for date type are not available in my drop list box when I choose the operator. So I'm going to say the last. I could use the arrows up here as well, 7 days. And just like that, I create a query that will show all the procedures for the last 7 days. If I say the last 2 days, I would have today and yesterday, that type of thing. So now I can go for the search, and if I go here to my drop down and I click the last 7 days, there you go. So these are the entries I have for the last 7 days in WISE option. So today you've learned another variation on how to perform queries with date variables in the query component for WISE option. Thanks for watching.